Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl, Bright Eyes. I'm here to make an announcement on my YouTube channel. Um, what I am planning on doing, I would love to do some online courses, and um, I'm hoping to get it ready by December or January. I will be putting up some online courses. What the courses that I'm going to do is pattern making courses and digital art courses. I will be selling them on my website at fashiondesignerdiary.com. Right at the moment, I am working on art projects and sewing projects, so I want to get that out of the way because we all know Christmas is coming. So I need to focus on that. And once I'm done making my art projects and my sewing projects, then I'm going to do the online course. I know I will be able to finish it by January, but I would love to get it done right now if I could. If I could, I would get it done right now. But I need to get these sewing projects and these art projects out the way first. I think they're more important. So I have removed some of my digital tutorial program, which is PE Design Plus 2. I received a lot of positive reviews from them. I got a lot of views from them, and I removed them because I will transition it on my website and charge a fee. That reason being because I'm not making money off of YouTube. That's one. And other contact creative do go on my YouTube channel and they copy some of my ideas. And that's why I don't post that much, because I don't want other contact creators to copy my ideas, and they have advantage because they have a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers. So what I decided to do, because I hold back a lot of information. After I got sick, I maybe some of y'all know or not, but in 2019, I was diagnosed with cancer and I was able to beat it in 2020. So I knew about that contact creators do copy other YouTubers, and I hold back so much information off my channel because I was waiting for me to get more subscribers, more views, and so on and so on. So that is why I'm going to charge a fee for my online courses. So even if someone copy it, if they pay a fee, it's fine. But to put it on YouTube for free and to see someone copy my video and they put a spin on it, it's not cool. So if they want to see my videos, at least they pay to see it. And I'm not going to feel a way that, okay, they copy off me. But if they want to see the videos, they will have to pay a fee. So that's why I'm going to take, that's why I took some of the PE Design Plus 2 videos off. I will be putting it on my website, and hopefully I'll get them ready by January. That January is a definite. It will go up by January. Okay, I will try to get them up there sooner, but as soon as I get it up there, I'll let you know. And I wish I could tell y'all. I have so many ideas I want to tell y'all, but anything I feel that somebody will copy my stuff, I'll just put it on my website. And if people want to see it, I'll just charge a fee for that. But I will continue to do the tutorials on this channel. But if you want more depth and you want more knowledge and you're serious about learning a software or learning how to do pattern making, then I will charge a fee for that. But everything else is free. Okay, so that's what I want to say to y'all. That's why y'all may not see the videos no more, because it will be going on my website at fashiondesignerddiary.com. So any tutorials like how to use, an art program, or how to do pattern making will go on the website. Draping, I'm going to do it on the website. I'm just going to do it on the website. If you want to know how to drape, you want to know how to do pattern making, or if you want to know how to use the software, it's going on the website. What I would show is everything right now. I'm not going to remove any other videos right now. It's always going to be on the channel, but other stuff like pattern making, draping, learning how to use the software is going to be on the website, and I will just charge a fee for that. So that is my announcement right now. So if any more new come up, y'all be the first to know, all right? All right, I'll talk to you later. And thank you for the support. I'm almost 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe, like, share my videos. I truly appreciate it. Bye.